Part 2. Solder the chip. Apply the solder paste to the chip pad. Install the chip limit plate. Use clamps to secure the chip limit plate. Please use Yanhua proprietary chips. Yanhua has added solder for the chip pin before delivery. Gently place the chip into the chip limit plate. Please note the chip pin direction. The dimple on the chip is pin 1. Apply solder paste to the chip pins and the top of the chip. Check that the chips are placed correctly. Use temperature and air volume adjustable hot air gun to blow and solder chip. Adjust the height of the hot air gun 8 mm above the chip limit plate. Adjust the air volume to 8 gear. Adjust the preheating temperature to 250 degrees Celsius. Start the hot air gun. Keep the temperature at 250 degrees Celsius. Preheat for 90 seconds. In order to save your time, we use 8x speed mode here. After 90 seconds, raise the temperature to 340 degrees Celsius and heat for 25 seconds. You can see that the solder on the pin is starting to merge with the solder on the pad. After 25 seconds, please shut down and remove the gun. Use contact cleaner to clean the solder paste on the chip. This is the final result after welding and cleaning.